Discover Global in Austintown helps companies manufacture products like these much more competitively than they could on their own. Today, President Greg Toporser tells us how and why. With about 20 clients scattered all over the country, Discover Global has seen its sales double in the past year.
We work with U.S. manufacturers that want to have component parts made overseas and then help them with that whole process from the design of the part all the way to getting the parts to their door.
Toporser graduated from YSU with a mechanical engineering degree. He worked for Delphi Packard, Goodrich Aerospace, and the Moen Fawcett Company, spending a lot of time in Asia.
And really led to this niche opportunity that's out there of working with mid to small size companies who really need to, in order to stay competitive, they need to be able to source components overseas as needed.
Toporser says Discover Global can save customers 15 to 40% on component costs.
When we go into a company, we'll typically try to evaluate what kind of products they're making, and we have an idea of, okay, this one makes sense, you can save money on. These ones you need to continue to make in the U.S. You know, it's still more competitive to make them here.
Discover Global has about 50 factories they work with overseas. They employ 4 people here in Youngstown, with their core employees in Asia soon to be centralized in China and Taiwan.
We have 8 contractors overseas who do that. They're really kind of the heart of our business. They do the inspections, they do the project management, they go in and meet with the factories, and they're really the core of why someone would hire Discover Global.
To explain, he shows us a bucket made by the Warner Ladder Company.
But they actually mold the bucket out in Montana, and where we help them is to keep them competitive to get this entire project is we make the handle for them over in Asia.
Other products include turnstile parts, pieces for automated pool covers.
This is actually a mount that goes into a Mustang. We sell this to Ford Racing. This is something people may notice. This is an iPod case. This was for the 3rd generation.
Does anyone have issues with the fact that you are helping companies find component parts overseas rather than locally?
Yeah, that's a good question. And I think what we're finding is, I mean, you go in and talk to most business owners and manufacturing companies, and I think everyone has realized it's became a global economy. And you know, in order to compete on certain components, you really need to look at purchasing those overseas just because of some of the labor involved or some of the government regulations. We can ship smaller quantities, make it more economical for everybody on the shipping cost, bring the goods here to Youngstown, and then bring them to this warehouse and then disperse the goods from there.
Discover Global hopes to continue increasing sales, recently adding a number of outside sales reps. The goal is to eventually start their own brands and products. For the Regional Chamber Report, I'm Kim Gonda.